Our planet, a celestial oasis teeming with life, is a marvel of natural beauty and complexity. It is a stage for an eternal dance of change, where every element plays a crucial role in the grand performance. Ecosystems, those intricate webs of life, are not static entities. They are living, breathing networks that constantly interact and evolve. They are dynamic, ever-evolving tapestries shaped by forces both subtle and dramatic. The changing seasons, the flow of rivers, and the shifting landscapes all contribute to this continuous transformation. From the slow creep of glaciers, which carve out valleys and shape mountains over millennia, to the sudden fury of wildfires, which can devastate entire forests in a matter of hours, nature is in a constant state of flux. The wind, the rain, and even the seemingly gentle movement of clouds all play their part in this endless cycle. This ceaseless process of change, where ecosystems transform over time, is known as ecological succession. It is a gradual process that can take decades, centuries, or even millennia to unfold. It is a testament to life's resilience, its ability to adapt, and its remarkable capacity to colonize even the most inhospitable environments. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every species has a role to play in this intricate dance. Imagine a barren landscape devoid of life, gradually transforming into a lush forest teeming with a diversity of species. This transformation is not just a change in scenery, it is a complex process involving countless interactions and adaptations. This is the magic of ecological succession. It is a reminder of the incredible power of nature to renew and regenerate, creating beauty and diversity from the simplest beginnings. Ecological succession is the gradual process of change in an ecosystem over time. It is the predictable sequence of changes in the composition and structure of a biological community. Imagine a vacant lot in a city. Over time, it will be colonized by weeds, then grasses, and eventually trees. This natural process of change is driven by the interactions between living organisms and their environment. As one community of organisms alters the environment, it creates conditions that are favorable for other species to move in and thrive. This process continues, with each stage paving the way for the next, until a stable ecosystem is established. Ecological succession can be categorized into two main types: primary and secondary succession. Primary succession occurs in areas that have never been colonized before, such as bare rock exposed by retreating glaciers or volcanic eruptions. Think of the desolate landscape left behind by a volcanic eruption where life must start from scratch. In contrast, secondary succession takes place in areas that have been previously occupied by living organisms but have experienced a disturbance, such as a forest fire or a cleared field. Imagine a forest ravaged by fire. Although the trees are gone, the soil remains, providing a foundation for new life to emerge. Ecological succession unfolds in a series of stages, each characterized by distinct communities of organisms. The first stage, known as the pioneer stage, is marked by the arrival of hardy species that can tolerate harsh conditions. These pioneers, often lichens and mosses, begin the slow process of soil formation, paving the way for more complex life forms. As the environment becomes more hospitable, intermediate species, such as grasses, shrubs, and fast-growing trees, colonize the area. Finally, the climax community emerges, representing a stable and self-sustaining ecosystem. This community is characterized by a high diversity of species and complex interactions between them. Section 5, Mount St Helens, a case study in resilience. The 1980 eruption of Mount St Helens in Washington state provided a dramatic example of ecological succession in action. This catastrophic event reshaped the landscape in an instant, demonstrating the raw power of nature. The eruption devastated the surrounding landscape, leaving behind a desolate wasteland of ash and debris. The once lush and vibrant area was transformed into a barren expanse, seemingly devoid of life. Yet even in this seemingly lifeless environment, life found a way. Nature began its slow but steady process of recovery, showcasing its incredible resilience. Within a few years, pioneer species such as lupines and fireweed began to colonize the area. These hardy plants were the first to brave the harsh conditions, setting the stage for further ecological development. Their presence helped to stabilize the soil and create conditions favorable for other plants to grow. By breaking down the volcanic ash and adding organic matter to the soil, they paved the way for a more diverse array of plant life. Gradually, the landscape transformed with grasses, shrubs, and eventually trees taking root. This gradual process of ecological succession illustrated how life can adapt and flourish even after a major disturbance. Today, Mount St Helens stands as a testament to nature's resilience, a powerful reminder of life's ability to recover and thrive even in the face of devastation. The area around the volcano is now a thriving ecosystem, rich with diverse plant and animal life, demonstrating the remarkable capacity of nature to heal and regenerate over time. Section 6. Chernobyl, nature reclaims a toxic landscape. The Chernobyl disaster in 1986, a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of nuclear accidents, left a scar on the landscape and the lives of countless people. The explosion released a massive amount of radioactive particles into the atmosphere, leading to the evacuation of entire towns and the creation of an exclusion zone that remains in place to this day. However, this tragic event also offers a surprising glimpse into the power of ecological succession. Over the decades, nature has slowly but surely begun to reclaim the abandoned urban areas. Buildings once filled with life are now overgrown with lush greenery, and the streets of Pripyat are lined with trees and plants. Despite the high levels of radiation, the exclusion zone surrounding the Chernobyl nuclear power plant has become an unlikely wildlife sanctuary. Wolves, lynx, and other animals have moved into the area, finding a haven in the absence of human activity. The resurgence of these species is a testament to the resilience of wildlife. Wild boar roam the abandoned city of Pripyat, navigating through the empty streets and overgrown buildings. These animals, along with many others, have adapted to the new environment, thriving in what was once a bustling urban area. Birds nest in the shadow of the ruined reactor, their songs filling the air where once there was only silence. The presence of bird life is another indicator of the gradual ecological recovery taking place in the exclusion zone. While the long-term ecological impacts of the disaster are still being studied, scientists are continually amazed by the resilience of nature. Research in the area provides valuable insights into how ecosystems can recover from such extreme disturbances. The resilience of nature in the face of such adversity is undeniable. The thriving wildlife and flourishing greenery in the Chernobyl exclusion zone serve as a powerful reminder of the strength and adaptability of natural systems. It underscores the power of ecological succession to heal even the most damaged ecosystems. The process of nature reclaiming the land is slow but steady, offering a unique perspective on the potential for recovery in other areas affected by human activity. This transformation offers a glimmer of hope for the future of our planet. It shows that even in the face of catastrophic events, nature has the ability to bounce back, reminding us of the importance of preserving and protecting our natural world for future generations. Section 7. The importance of succession, biodiversity, and ecosystem health. Ecological succession plays a vital role in maintaining the health and biodiversity of our planet. Each stage of succession contributes to the creation of a more complex and stable ecosystem. Pioneer species, with their ability to colonize barren environments, initiate the process of soil formation, laying the foundation for more complex life forms. As succession progresses, the increasing diversity of plant and animal life leads to a more resilient ecosystem, better able to withstand disturbances and adapt to changing environmental conditions. The intricate web of life that emerges from ecological succession provides essential ecosystem services, such as clean air and water, pollination, and climate regulation. Section 8. Protecting nature's legacy, our role in succession. As stewards of our planet, we have a responsibility to protect and preserve the natural processes that sustain life, including ecological succession. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change can disrupt or even halt succession with dire consequences for biodiversity and ecosystem health. By understanding the importance of ecological succession, we can make more informed decisions about land management, conservation, and restoration efforts. Supporting sustainable practices that promote biodiversity Reducing our ecological footprint and advocating for the protection of natural areas are crucial steps in ensuring that future generations inherit a healthy and vibrant planet. Section 9. Conclusion: an ode to nature's tenacity. Ecological succession, a testament to nature's resilience and creativity, is a never-ending cycle of renewal and transformation. It is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way. From the ashes of volcanic eruptions to the ruins of man-made disasters, nature's ability to heal and regenerate is awe-inspiring. As we marvel at the intricate dance of ecological succession, let us remember our role in protecting this vital process. By understanding and respecting nature's rhythms, we can ensure that the symphony of life continues to play on, enriching our planet for generations to come.